Hey guys, Philip, Crowdfund Junkie here. Very early in the morning here in Los Angeles. Still drinking my coffee from my turbo brew. Thank you, Zach. So I'm gonna tell you right now, between this, and for those of you who don't know, this is Luggical. Luggical, baby. It finally came in. So I'm gonna do things backwards because nobody has. I don't do unboxing. I hate unboxing. I mean, it's a box, you open it up and you pull the shit out. Pretty self-explanatory. I like what's inside the box. So we're gonna dive right in because this is Luggical. It was worth the wait. Sammy from Luggical was my very first interview on Crowdfund Junkie, and he made it so easy. So thank you, Sammy, and thank you for producing a quality product, and I'm gonna explain why I feel that this thing actually surpassed my expectations. So, Luggical, here we go. Look at this. It's here, and it works really, really well. So, let's back up. Get some bags off of here. So I'm gonna start out with the fact that when the product came to me, it was in excellent condition. And if you're watching, you can see how easy this is. I'm not gonna get into a ton of details about anything, to be honest, because it's super early and I'm just wanting to share this with everybody. Listen to this. There is no denying that is locked. So what's beautiful about this, one, if you've ever been to IKEA and you love doing this with the carts, this is it, man. These wheels are phenomenal. And I gotta tell you, I hate most wheels on most pieces of luggage. These are incredible. Box is pretty cool too. Got the logo here, little saying on the back which says, "You carry too much during your day, let us carry you." So let's pop this up here. First and foremost, it's a really nice piece of luggage and it doesn't weigh much. Really nice. As far as the zipper goes, this is one of the smoothest operating zippers, and clearly they put a lot of work into the quality of this. TSA approved, obviously. It's got a great logo right on the front there, right? But let me show you, if you caught that before, this is really cool. I have very rarely seen this, but that's how you take off a wheel. There's a little button. Now it's locked, push the button, pop it out. Let's get to the fun stuff. And, you know, 2 adjustable heights, right? Got right here, right there, and there. I'm not very tall, I use this one. But let's look at this. So again, lock and unlock. Unlock, pull it out, pop a wheel out. This is how quickly you can do this. It's oh so easy. Now it's locked. My wife and I and my son went to Portugal just recently, and man, did we pack as though we were going away for a month. And we had the big bag, we had a smaller bag, we had the backpack. My wife had her purse. Then you get your snacks or whatever. I mean, man, it was crazy. So that's a lot of bags, and you're trying to maneuver everything. You've all done it. You know, you got one bag here and you pull the handles up and you hold them like this together and you try and make total pain in the ass. This thing is a game changer. And Sammy, I hope you make $1 billion. But I'm gonna tell you, you were my very first episode. So you and I spoke, I called him, it was like 3 in the morning in Paris. And he was up and he took my call and we had a great chat because the box had just arrived at the house. Sammy, let's do a live show. I've never done a live Crowdfund Junkie show. And we can invite everybody on and ask questions or whatnot. I know a lot of people were asking, hey, but it only works on smooth surfaces. Bullshit. I took it out in the streets of LA here, and the streets in LA here, the sidewalks are horrible. So it was beautiful. It was so easy. Now inside this comes the cover. It also comes with 2 straps. So once you stack your luggage on, if you're going over cobblestone or whatever in Europe and whatnot, just put the straps on, man. Ain't going anywhere. I just love how easy this is. I can't wait. I'm gonna go book a flight, but I'm also gonna buy a couple more of these. I know that Sammy's got some colors coming out. Sadly, he's not doing my orange quite yet because it didn't fare well in the voting, I guess. I don't know. But the green's beautiful. Aluminum, or as they say, aluminium or aluminium, whatever. But man, black is back and I'm digging it, man. As you can see, I'm really excited. Yo, Sammy, You and me need to do a live show on Crowdfund Junkie next week. Let's invite everybody on. We'll go live. I'll make a complete fool of myself, and we'll talk about Luggical and the journey and how it's actually real and how great a product is and all that shit. You down? I know you're down. Let's do it. I'll see you on Crowdfund Junkie live next week.